How to find your routing number of US Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to talk about viewing or checking the US bank account and routing numbers. So routing number depend on where you opened your deposit account, not your current address. And here's how you can find your account and routing numbers using online banking. First, you need to go ahead and select the account that you want to view from the dashboard. And in the overview section, you will see the last 4 digits of your account number and the full routing number. Click on show to see the full account number, and here's how you can find your account and the routing numbers using the US Bank mobile app. Choose the account you want to view and select the Manage tab at the top. Under account details, select account and routing number, and your account and routing numbers will be then displayed. You can also find your routing number on your checks. It's the first set of 9 numbers on the left, and it begins with 0, 1, 2, or 3. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.